Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Setting up Python as FastCGI under Windows and Apache can be a useful way to run Python web applications on your Windows server. FastCGI allows you to run Python code efficiently within the Apache web server. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up Python as FastCGI under Windows and Apache, complete with code examples. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install mod_fgid for Apache. Apache needs the mod_fgid module to run FastCGI scripts. If you don't already have it installed, follow these steps. Open a command prompt as an administrator. Navigate to your Apache installation directory, usually C:\program files \Apache group \Apache2 or similar. Run the following command to enable the mod_fgid module. Replace Apache 2.4 with your Apache service name if it's different. Restart Apache to apply the changes. Step 2. Install FLUP for Python. We'll use the FLUP library to create a FastCGI script. Install it using pip. Step 3. Create a Python FastCGI script. Here's a simple Python FastCGI script that you can use as a starting point. Save it as myapp.fgi in your Apache document root, example C:\Apache24\htdocs. Step 4. Configure Apache to handle FastCGI. Open your Apache configuration file, usually httpd.conf, and add the following lines to enable FastCGI. Step 5. Restart Apache. Restart Apache to apply the configuration changes. Step 6. Access your FastCGI application. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost/myapp.fcgi. You should see Hello, FastCGI, displayed in your browser. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Python as FastCGI under Windows and Apache. You can now develop and deploy FastCGI-based Python web applications on your Windows server. Feel free to replace the myapp.fgi script with your own Python web application code to build more complex web applications. ChatGPT.